Hey guys, welcome to the Jailbreak Nation. Now you may have heard of the Mac application Stacks. It allows you to view your chosen applications in a sort of curved columns sort of thing. Now you also may have heard of the version of it for your iPhone and iPod Touch. A lot of you probably have. But now there is a new version that the developer is working on, version 3.0, and it's actually currently in or before alpha testing, which means that it's going to be really buggy. And this has actually got out by chance. It has been leaked, and therefore that's why you see it in front of you. So if you didn't know what Stacks was or what it does, I'll just show you. So you see in my dock here I have these four kind of stacks, they are called, but you can see that behind the first icon there are a couple of others. So if I were to click on the first one here, Internet, it comes up with a curved stack with my chosen applications in it. And so I can just launch one from there, or to make the stack go down, I can press the arrow here, and it will go down. Now, you can either have it in that view, or you can have it like this one. So if I click on my installers, which is stuff like Cydia Rock and all that, you get a kind of window like this. I think it's called a grid view. So that's that. I can get out of it like that. Now, as I said, this is in pre-alpha mode, so it is extremely buggy. That means the developer hasn't finished it at all yet. And this actually isn't officially in Cydia. You have to add some special sources to get it. And if you want to know what those sources are, you can head over to my website, www.thejailbreaknation.com, and all information will be on the post on Stacks for that. So if I want to rename one of the stacks, let's say I want to rename the one in the far right, installers, I can hold down on the application until the icons wiggle. Then at the top say touch here to rename this stack, and then a window here will open and you can type in the name of the stack, and then your device will respring, and that will be done. So I'm just going to go cancel because I don't want to do that right now, and that is how you would rename them. Now if you want to remove one, so let's say I press on this one here and I want to remove iPod, I can just drag that out and poof, it's gone. And if I want to add one, I just make them so all the icons wiggle again, and then just drag the icon I want to put on over onto the stacks, and there it will be on, as you see. So that is the basic features of this. The previous versions, you just had one icon in the bottom right corner of your dock. You couldn't move it, you couldn't have multiple ones. But now you have, I think it comes with 4 stacks, and currently there's no way to delete them because, as I said, it is in pre-alpha mode, so it's totally a default bare bone thing. But yeah, now we have a kind of settings thing for it. If I open up settings from the stack, I'll just wait for settings to load. It's just taking a while for some reason. There we go. Now you just want to scroll down, and there should be a stack option added to your settings. So I'm going to click on that, and you have the option to warn on remove. So you can turn that on or off. That means that when you remove an icon, an application from one of your stacks, it will prompt you for yes or no, and so just so you don't accidentally delete stuff. Then we have always show on grid, which is the grid option I showed you. I have that off. I just have that one set on grid, and used curved stack. So you know how the stack was curved. You can have it either in a straight line or curved. I like it in a straight line, so I'm going to leave it like that. You can display as cascaded icons. That means that we got the icons up on top of each other in the dock, and single icon, which means that it just shows the stack icon, and image, which I'm not quite sure what it is, as it doesn't actually do anything as of yet. So I can just get out of that. Now that's basically stacks version 3.0, which is currently in pre-alpha mode. As I said, this is a total fluke that it got leaked to the public. And as I said, there's only one way to get it, and that's by adding a specific repository to Cydia. Now, if you want to know what that repository is, you can head over to my website, www.thejailbreaknation.com, and all the information will be there on the stacks post. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Yeah, above all else, guys, have a nice day, and peace.